Do you know what's common in all these buildings and constructions? Yes, you have guessed it right. These are metal roofing sheets. The concept behind this isn't something new. Our ancestors have used materials such as wood sticks, leaves, and animal skins for their shelters to protect themselves. Ever wonder how these seemingly simple sheets are helping construction worldwide? Today, we are taking you inside the roofing sheets factory to uncover the secrets behind their durability, flexibility, and unmatched utility. Let's dive in. Hello, all. Generally, when we talk about home construction, we remember about concrete slabs, brick, wood, and other materials. However, when we talk about construction of big industrial plants, we will focus on building with feasible materials in budget that suits industrial needs. When we think about such feasible materials, we find metal roofing system on top. So today we are invited to be at Vani Sheet Roofing Manufacturer Company. Our main agenda for this visit is to understand how does the owner procure raw material, how does the manufacturing happens here, how do they process their orders. We are going to cover all this in this vlog, kind of entertaining video with some education. I met owner Mr. Gopal Malyala. He seemed to be very energetic and experienced in this business. This is a family owned business, and you can see the overview of the manufacturing unit with different products, raw material, and machinery. So, this view catches your eyesight on what they are offering on Wholesome. Their space is completely filled. There are 10 plus employees working over here. So now let's understand more about it. In the conversation with him, I understand where the material is coming from. He purchases coils from big manufacturing giants like JSW, Tata Steel, and other steel manufacturing companies, especially from Pune, Aurangabad, and Mumbai. So generally, they will order from the website with minimum order quantity of 30 tons. They procure their raw material as they wish whenever they get high purchase orders. So now let's understand the process. This is the crane which pulls off a maximum of 7-ton weight through. Though the need is just 5 ton, coil is being lifted and is attached into a decoiler machine using a sensor remote. Plain coil is fixated on the decoiler. Coil will be transferred onto profiler machine as you see in the video. Once the coil is fixed, then it will be slowly transferred into profiler machine. Now, the plain coil will get into corrugated ridges while passing through the profile machine and getting pressed under these coils as shown in the video. These unevenly distributed coils will give the plain sheet its designated shape. This is the operator machine where it fixes the length of the sheet for the machine to cut precisely as shown. Not just this, we can also make different kinds of profiles using this machine. It is pressed the sheet in a precise manner, which is giving the material a curved shape with stripes. These stripes helps the customer in the rainy season for directing rainwater down safely. Considering durability aspects, I spoke on the durability of these panels with Mr. Gopal Malyala. He mentioned the minimum warranty is 15 years, but especially in the hotel industry, these panels get worn off easily due to heavy heat and exposure to the oil and smoke. We can see different profiles has same durability, that is maximum of 15 years. I tested by standing on the sheet using industrial standard shoes. I felt the sheet was premium and had immense strength. Also, understanding the waste management. In every production, there will be minimal wastage. This wastage in this roofing sheets manufacturing industry is very minimal. This is all because of those profiling machines and the operators' expertise. The main important aspect is power consumption. I spoke on the power consumption too, and I was terribly shocked to know the electricity consumption of this manufacturing unit. He mentioned the expenses will be maximum to 8,000 to 10,000 per month. This is possible because they were using machinery which consists of three motors, 10 HP, 5 HP, and 5 HP each. Not just sheet roofing. A buyer or a vendor comes to his plant with an intention of having one-stop solution, which means a place where buyer can buy everything related to metal roofing construction, such as steel pipes, screws, and other fittings, etc. They buy this material from local market at a retail price in bulk. Post talk with the owners, we came to understand their lifestyle. We have seen how they work so hard in the manufacturing plant. So now let's visit their home. So this is their house which looks super premium. And when I went inside, I see their taste of how they are bringing the culture and greenery at their home. Their house is completely lightened up with gold, and it seemed me so surprising and so pleasant. Now let's check out their home and how it is. So their house is completely set up with AI, and this AI powered house gives a very trendy feeling on how their taste, how their ideology works. It was a pleasant moment for me to jump in and see how it is turning up. When I went to their master bedroom, I saw their taste, a big TV, and a joyful music playing inside. In the same process, I went to the upstairs, which I loved looking at from outside. And when I get in there, I saw a bar counter, which is though empty, beautifully set up. And generally, all business meetings and all family related events are being held here. So, guys, this is it as of now, and we really enjoyed interviewing the owners, understand the manufacturing process, and I really felt so overwhelmed with their thought process. If you want to enhance your business with our kind of marketing, education, and networking thought, we request you to call us and let's collaborate. And please don't forget to subscribe to 100x Men.